Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Imagica AI tutorial for beginners. If you are starting out and you don't know how to do coding, this Imagica AI will help you to create an application. Here, as you can see, we can easily start from over here and they are even showing you how to do it, but obviously I'm here to show you. These are some examples which they are showing you right now, as you can see. And we have the simplest way to build an application. As you can see, no coding, create AI functions, real-time data, multimodal, image generation, and many more. So to get started, it's very easy. Let's go to the above of this page and you will end up over here. You can sign up with your Google account or email account. I'm just going to sign up with my Google, and this is the first time I'm signing up, so let's see how it's going to be look like. And after that, once you click on continue at the end, this will redirect you to the page where you are going to start working on. Once you've done all of that, you will end up over here. Here you can see right away your projects will be over here in your my projects. You will end up over here, and we have templates as well. If you click on template, you can see a lot of templates are available as well, related to business application, education application, travel application, cooking application, and many more over here. You can scroll down and you can see all those applications over here, and you can get the help from these application like by clicking and start looking at it how it's going to be work on. We have functions as well. If you click on my functions, we will talk about this later on, but right now just leave it as it is. And we have templates, and if you want to start from the scratch, you can also do that. From the top left corner, as you can see, create new project. Once you click on that, it will show you two things over here: Auto Magica or Thinking Canvas. So you can go any one of them. Auto Magica will show you chat with AI builder to turn your idea into reality, and we have Thinking Canvas, which is going to be build a project with a powerful nodes based thinking canvas. So you can go either any one of them, but I'm going for Auto Magica right now, and you will see what we are going to do. Let's say you want to create an application for fitness, right? Right now you are going to write that over here. I want to create, so as you can see, I searched for I want to create fitness application, and Imagica AI will tell me, let me help you out. Personal trainer guide, health tracker, and virtual gym buddy. You can also go any one of them. So I can say let's go with the first option. After that, Imagica will ask me that what you like to add in your personal trainer guide application. So you can add those over here. So I just tell Imagica that add necessary stuff. I don't need to tell every single thing to Imagica. They can do everything by itself as well. So I'm just going to enter these all in my fitness, or you can say personal trainer guide application. Just click on continue after that, and let's see what is going to happen. As you can see, we have inputs, outputs, everything available over here. Like, click on make it real, and on the right side you will see the preview of that. Let's wait for a while and let's see how it's going to look like. So you can see I have already created my application over here, and this is going to be the preview on the right side. You can see that how it's going to look like for the application, and if you want to change the colors, you can also do that. At the top you have app design, just click on that, and you can see the style. Just change the style if you want, go for the dark mode if you want to. We have the font styling as well from over here. You can go ahead and select that, but unfortunately it has some upgrade features as well, and we will talk about the pricing plan for Auto Magica, or you can say Magica. So we will talk about this later on at the end of this video. After that, we have settings as well with the advanced features. Just click on that. You can see that we have logo also. You can change that from over here. Right now it's showing up for Imagica, but you cannot change it. Unfortunately, it has a plan for that. We have domain name. You can set the domain name as well. We have embed size. So there are a lot of stuff which you need to unlock once you have the plan. But right now you can change the styling as well from over here. So which is good in my opinion. I'm going with this one, and this is how you can create an application. Obviously, this is very short and concise way to tell you how you are going to create, but there is one more thing which I'm going to show you over here. I showed you Auto Magica and also the canvas. So this is the one which we worked on, Auto Magica. Now let's talk about canvas. This is how it's going to look like. If you see this over here, I just said user fitness scores, and everything has been generated by an AI. You can add the generate a personalized workout plan based on user fitness goals and preferences. You can also add that over here, but I'm just going to go back to my home page. This is going to be my fitness application. Now I'm going to start from the scratch as well for these nodes as well. So we have tried obviously Auto Magica. Now we are going to try Thinking Canvas. Let's see how it's going to look like. So let's say you want to create a YouTube video, but you don't have any idea to create a title. So you can get the help from the canvas as well from over here. So let's say I want to create a video about 7 wonders of the world. So I'm just going to write over that over here as a keyword. And after that, once you write that, just click on create an AI that, and I'm going to explain what you're supposed to do. It will also give you suggestions like this, obviously over here, like provide a brief description of Taj Mahal and many more over here. We have explained the historical the background, and we have discussed the cultural and historical importance. We have all of those over here. We have suggested some functions also available over here. So we were talking about functions. This is how it's going to look like. Right now I'm just going to write that over here. Create a list of 10 YouTube videos named that sounds sketchy. I'm going to enter that and let's see what AI will do. Let's wait for a while. On the right side you will see how it's going to look like. Once you've done that, you can see that we have those titles over here which you can use for your own YouTube video. So you can create these notes from over here and you get the help out of it. At the bottom we have select tools. Obviously you can select them over here. We have hand tool which I can use to move around. We have notes. You can add more notes over here if you want to. And we have the copy text, copy note, and obviously you can publish as content. But right now I'm just going to delete that. And here we have upload a file. If you want to upload a file, you can also do that. If you click on that, this is how it's going to look like, and this has to be 50 MB maximum size. Right now I'm just going to delete that as well. We have undo and obviously redo button at the bottom. After that if you want to continue this, you can also do that. Just click on plus icon over here, and obviously AI will also show you some suggestions as well, like create an epic adventure journey through the time from ancient marvels to modern wonders. Just click on this one and let's see how it's going to look like over here. It's going to be a journey for that, and you can get the help from over this. Let's see how it's going to look like. Let's wait for a while, and you can see it start working on that. All those things which you needed will available over here, as you can see. Now if you want to generate image, you can also do that over here. Let's plus this icon again, and I'm going to select on my keyboard slash, and once you do that, you will see all the functions over here. Like I told you before, this is how you can use functions on your notes. We have ask Imagica, ask a question and get a real-time answer. We have generate an image, add data source, and split output, and there are many more like music, text to audio, video to gen, ask Imagica research agent, and there are multiple more out there. Right now I'm just going to add an image. Like I said this before, just click on generate an image. Let's see how it's going to look like according to this notes over here. Let's wait for a while. So as you can see, I have generated an image over here, and this is how it's going to be look like. This is the picture which AI generated for us, but if you scroll down, you can see I have created more images over here. This is the second one related to this, all of these notes. By the way, you can create as much as you want by clicking on this. This is how I have created all of these. We have animation style as well over here, and we have cyber painting style as well over here. So you can see how many things you can do with this. Like if you want to add more, you can also do that, but obviously I'm just going to leave it as it is because it's a lot over here. Once you create all of this over here, on the right side just click on publish, and you will see publish over here. This is the application, and every single time once you search for 7 wonder over here, let's click on submit. This AI will generate with the new information, with the new images over here. So you will see all the details will be different every single time. This is what I have created, and every single time whoever is going to be over here, just click on submit, and they will see something different every single time. As you can see over here, every single image is different now. So this is how you can use notes as well. Obviously this is a very basic example with the related for your video topic of your YouTube title, but you can go ahead and make many more out of it. By the way, if you want to change the text on the right side of your application, you can also do that by clicking on double click, and you can change that over here as well. But right now I'm just going to leave it as it is, and we have click here to add input. You can also add input as much as you want with the help of notes, but I'm going to leave it as it is, and this is how you can create it. Now let's talk about the last thing, upgrade, or you can say pricing plan for your Imagica. If you click on upgrade at the top, you can see that we're using free version, and obviously you can go ahead and use free version as much as you want because it has no limit for your projects. We have image generation, chat interface, auto Imagica, and many more over here. Unfortunately, design templates, premium font styles, use your own domain, and add your own branding is not available on free plan. But if you want to try it out, you can also come over here and try it out by yourself. We have pro version over here as well, and obviously it has some things which are not available as well, but you can see all the details over here on the business plan what is going to be available for you. If you use business plan, they are going to provide you obviously every single thing, and the pricing plans are, as you can see, $25 per month for annual plan, and $79 per month for business plan on annual. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to use Imagica AI as a beginner. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.